Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to extract data from Instagram using a web scraper. Instagram Scraper from the Apify Store Powerful tool lets you extract data from Instagram posts, comments, profile details, hashtags, mentions, and reels. You can try it for free by clicking the link in the description below. Once you're on the setup page, you have the option to set the input using the user-friendly UI or JSON. There are two methods to scrape Instagram data with this tool, using a URL or performing a search query. Let's start by scraping through a URL. In the Instagram URLs field, enter the link to an Instagram profile or post you want to scrape. For example, let's use Kendall Jenner's Instagram feed. After entering the URL, select the data points you want to extract. You can choose to scrape posts from a profile, which will provide information like post URLs, comment counts, hashtags, mentions, and the number of likes. Alternatively, you can scrape profile details to get follow accounts, post counts, profile descriptions, links, and more. You can also scrape profile mentions to collect posts from the tagged section of a profile or scrape reels for information on short-form videos. If you enter a post URL instead of a profile URL, you can scrape comment data as well. You can define the number of results you want to scrape or limit the scraping to posts made after a specific date. For this demo, we'll scrape 40 posts from the start of 2024. Now let's explore scraping by a search query. This method uses Google to find relevant Instagram pages and scrape data from them. You can choose to scrape users to extract follow accounts, profile pictures, and other details. You can also scrape by hashtags to get account and post information, including captions, mentions, comments, and likes. Additionally, you can scrape place pages on Instagram to retrieve top posts, captions, and user tags. Make sure you only fill out either the URL or search query method, not both. Before starting the actor, it is recommended to save your configuration and create a task. This will make it easier to schedule the scraper or integrate it with other tools in the future. When you're ready, click Start to run the actor. You can monitor the progress in the Output tab or view detailed logs by switching to the Log tab. Once the scraping is complete, export your data in various formats like JSON, CSV, or HTML. You can also choose which fields to include or exclude before downloading the dataset. To automate your workflow further, you can schedule your Instagram followers extractor to run at regular intervals. Simply choose your task, hit Schedule, and specify how often you want the actor to run. You can also connect your Instagram followers extractor to cloud services like Google Drive or Zapier. Additionally, you can integrate it with other Apify actors. If you prefer running the scraper locally via API, you can find the code for Node.js, Python, or curl in the API drop-down menu at the top right corner. That's all for this tutorial. You can find the link to the Instagram scraper in the description below, so give it a try for free.